Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale with Google Cloud Platform step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current infrastructure on Google Cloud Platform. Identify which applications and services you want to scale. Evaluate your traffic patterns to understand peak usage times. Decide on the scaling strategy, vertical or horizontal scaling. For vertical scaling, upgrade your existing resources to higher specifications. Access the compute engine on your Google Cloud Console. Select the instance you wish to upgrade. Click on Edit and increase the machine type or change the disk size. Save the changes and restart the instance to apply the upgrades. For horizontal scaling, consider using Managed Instance Groups. Go to Instance Groups in the Google Cloud Console. Click on Create Instance Group. Select the New Managed Instance Group option. Define the number of instances based on your expected load. Choose the instance template that meets your application requirements. Set auto-scaling policies to automatically adjust the number of instances. Define metrics for scaling, such as CPU utilization or HTTP requests. Create alerts to monitor performance and scaling events. Utilize Google Cloud Load Balancing to distribute traffic evenly. Navigate to the Load Balancing section in the Cloud Console. Click on Create Load Balancer and select the appropriate type for your needs. Configure the backend services to include your instance group. Set up health checks to ensure only healthy instances handle requests. Deploy the load balancer and update your domain settings if necessary. Monitor the performance and scaling metrics through Google Cloud Monitoring. Adjust your scaling policies based on observed usage and performance. Finally, continuously test your infrastructure under various loads. Refine your scaling approach as needed to maintain optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.